What's up, guys? 2019 Chevy Silverado cabin air filter. This one's pretty easy. What you want to do is come in here, open this. There is a little plunger right here on the left side. We gotta get that off. You can just kind of use your thumb to push it off. See, like that. And that plunger just makes it so when you open the door, it goes slow and it shuts a little slow. Once that is off, you're gonna squeeze the sides. You're gonna take both your hands, squeeze the sides, and then pull it down. Let's see. Get one. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, I'm a pro. Come in here. Now, this is the like the door, the cover. What you want to do is come over here, push on this tab. Let's see. Okay, you're gonna push it, and then this door will come off on this side. This looks like that side just stays. I'm gonna pull this off, pull it out. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so the right side is like, there's like a little slot, and this tab will go in the slot, and then you put this side on. That's how you get it on. But then when you take it off, you just push on this button, undo it, and then pull it out from that tab over there. All right, we got the down arrow. That's your airflow direction. So take note where the arrow's pointing. Let's go ahead and get this out. Yeah, got it. All right, so I'm gonna go and show you my new filter. Here's my new filter. It's from Chevy. Here's my part number. You can get these anywhere. You can get them AutoZone, O'Reilly, Napa, online, Amazon, whatever. Go ahead and get this out. Now, something to look at. This new one has an airflow arrow right there. Airflow pointing down. Quick little lesson. The blower motor's right here. Don't ever put your fingers in here when it's running. But this whole thing is sucking air down. So if the cabin filter has an arrow that's pointing down and it says airflow, you need to put it to where it's pointing down. I'll show you what I mean here. So it says airflow down. And go and slide this in. Just get this in just the same way you got it out. All right, we're gonna slide that in. Boom, just like that. Arrow's pointing down. All right, so that's for that. Now let's put this door cover back on. We're gonna slide the right side in. Like that, and then come on this side. Push that in, it should click into place. Okay, I got it in. Now there's a little slider notch here. So when you take this plate in, you need to go ahead and go in this way and make sure that the cover goes in that little track that's right here. And then it goes in there, and then it'll clip in here. Yeah, mine was kind of falling off. I couldn't figure it out, but that's why, because you have to make sure you get it slid into that little path as well. All right. So this came off here. It's not a big deal. You just put it back on the hinges right there. If it does, you just put it back on the hinges. Just push this right back up like that. And then we gotta put our plunger on. You can kind of push the box up to line it up on the plunger hole. Come on. There we go, it should click. And then your glove box should open and shut very easy and shouldn't be going crooked or nothing like that. But anyways, that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.